welcome to another Free.volous episode. Today I'm bringing you the July Look Fantastic Beauty Box unboxing and my review on the products from last month, of course. So let's jump into it. The phrase inside is Komorebi, sunlight filtering through the trees, the interplay between light and leaves. That's pretty. The first item in the box is the Filorga UV Bronze After Sun, a triple action gel to oil formula with a light and refreshing texture that pacifies and calms the skin after a tanning session by the pool. Enriched with argan, apricot, almond and avocado oil, hyaluronic acid and an amino acid complex, the formula contains all the essentials to nourish and intensely moisturize the skin. Say hello to your sun-kissed glow. Use as a daily moisturizer when on holiday, no matter whether you have tanned or burnt, to ensure all-round protection and smooth skin. This seems interesting, although I'm not planning to sit in the sun this year, to go to the beach or anything. But nonetheless, the ingredients in this, if they are what they claim to be in the description, seem to be very, very nice as a moisturizer. Oh, I went a bit too on it. As a moisturizer, oh, this has a scent, yes, as usual. It's sort of a perfumey scent, but it's not too floral. It's weird, but anyway. I did apply quite a big chunk of it, but it feels really nourishing on the skin, so that's nice. It doesn't feel tacky. It feels slightly wet, I would say, but not tacky to the touch. Let's see how it sets on the skin. Windows are open, so I'm sorry for the noise, but I'm curious about this product. Although, as I said, yes, you can use it as an after sun, and that's nice, but you can use it as a moisturizer, and I'm more into that. The scent though, the scent. The next item in the box is the First Aid Beauty Face Cleanser. Tackle those imperfections and impurities with this amazing cleanser by First Aid Beauty. This unique pH balanced formula is filled with a range of antioxidants which work for even the most sensitive skin. It cleanses your face, neck and décolleté, leaving you fresh, makeup free and with a more even looking complexion. And they say that rather than rinsing straight away, let the cleanser sit on your skin for a minute to work some magic and you'll see the best results. That I didn't know. I've used this cleanser before. It's really, really a really good cleanser. It's very simple. It doesn't have sulfates in it, which is good for my skin. Those are really drying and unnecessary ingredients. So yeah, I know I will love this cleanser, and this is good for me as a second cleanse in the evening or an AM cleanse in the morning. I know that I will love this one. I know. Next product is the Dux Free Matic Highlighter Mono in Sparkled Ray. No golden goddess look is complete without a touch of highlighter to illuminate and brighten those cheekbones. This amazing Free Matic highlighter from Dux in shade Sparked Ray will give you a natural shimmer, leave you ready to glow, and will suit most skin tones, not types. Enlightening your complexion, this super velvety smooth highlighter will blend dreamily to accentuate your natural features. BB tips, they say to dampen your highlighter brush to use to create an even more metallic glow. So let's see how this goes. We've received a couple of Dux eyeshadows a few boxes ago, and I really liked at least one of them. This is the highlighter. I'm not sure this will suit all skin tones, people, but anyway. I haven't applied highlighter today because I wanted to try this. So let's see. Taking a little bit on my... Oh, it is a high... On camera, this shows quite intense. Just blending it out. So, first impressions on this product. Yes, it does give you quite a bit of shine, which looks great on camera, I think, at least from my viewfinder. But I think that this enhances texture a little bit too much for my liking. I have several highlighters that I really love that don't do that. I don't know, it's quite metallic, you know, and sometimes metallic highlighters have this thing where they enhance your pores and your wrinkles. So yeah, the color is really pretty for my skin tone. I wouldn't say this would suit everybody. It's sort of a champagne with a rose gold undertone to it. It feels really soft on the skin. It's not chunky, but I would say that this enhances your imperfections or any texture on your skin a bit too much. I'll do a close-up so you can see. But it looks really pretty though. So yeah, a bit of mixed reviews, at least first impression review on that one. But let's see how it sits on the skin. If it melts into the skin, that may be something that starts to look a bit more natural as the day goes by. So next product is Lancer Omega Hydrating Oil. This lightweight balancing oil delivers essential hydration, polyphenols and antioxidants to the skin, promoting a softer, healthy-looking complexion for all skin types. This nourishing blend of fermented oils, including argan, olive, shunku and licorice, help lock in moisture, softening the look of fine lines and leaving the skin with a dewy glow. Yeah, I love me some oil, so let's see. I've loved the Lancer exfoliator that came in a box a while ago. No scent to it. The only scent I can feel on my skin is from the moisturizer after sun thing. It is an oil, so it will glide on your skin and feel slightly oily, but it is sinking into my skin, which is nice. And it's it could not happen because I have the moisturizer underneath, so it could block, you know, the penetration of the oil, but it seems to be sinking in. I love face oils, and antioxidants in a face oil are great for daytime, and I even use them in the summer, as I stated on my previous video. High hopes for this one. High hopes, Lancer. I just hope I don't get addicted because Lancer is really expensive. Next product in the box is the Kerastase Reflection Bain Chromatique Shampoo. I hate when they mix French and English in the names. Leave hair lustrous with a beautiful shine. Suitable for all hair types, this shampoo contains vitamin E and UV filters, defending the hair against antioxidant aggressors. No, that's not how it works. This has antioxidant properties to prevent oxidation. Anyway, and premature color fading. Also infused with linseed oil, popular for protecting the appearance of hair's color and intensity. They say you should use just a small amount. This sounds nice. Kerastase is a good hair brand. Oh, it smelled like bubblegum for a minute. This has kind of the Kerastase shampoo signature scent. I don't have color-treated hair, and this has sulfates. Sulfates are not good for color-treated hair. They're not good for any hair really, but especially color-treated. Anyway, Kerastase is a very well-known brand. I will probably pass this on to a friend who has recently dyed her hair, and she will give it a much better home and a lot more use, because I cannot use sulfates on my hair. So, and I'm not going to use a color-treated hair product because I don't need it. At least for now, who knows, but yeah, no. Last product in the box is the LABORATORIES SEBIACLEAR Gel Moussant Cleanser. Jesus. A soap-free cleanser that purifies and unclogs the skin gently. Its creamy foam eliminates impurities and excess sebum without drying out the skin, leaving the skin perfectly clear, fresh and matte. Yeah, no sulfates. Sometimes they say soap-free, but it's not that true. Anyway, this is more geared towards very oily skin, maybe acne-prone oily skin. So for me, I have combination skin. Yes, it is acne prone, but if I use a very drying product, a matte finish face cleanser, it will be too stripping for me, at least on a daily basis. What I will do with this one is to use it a couple of days a week if I'm feeling very oily, or if I've overdone with my makeup and I need a second cleanse that really takes everything else from the inside of my pores out. So that's how I'll use this. But 2 cleansers in one box look fantastic. Yeah, I don't know. These were the products from this month's box. I'll have the overall value of the products as far as I can research it over here. So yeah, I'm quite interested in the after sun, not as an after sun per se, but because this has hyaluronic acid and oils, I think this would be very nice for the skin. Overall, love the face cleanser. I know I love it. The Lancer oil, really curious about it. On the highlighter, it has the magnetic little bits here, in case you're wondering, so you can stick it on a magnetic palette. This cleanser got the box a bit repetitive, but I'll see. Maybe it will be amazing. And the shampoo I'm not going to use, but I'll pass it on. I'll pass it on. Let's jump into last month's products with no specific order. This is the Vita Liberator Self-Tanning Lotion. First thing, not providing a mitt for a product that requires a mitt. I'm using it, or I have it on today. I've used it a couple of times, no, once throughout the month, and I'm probably here with the product. I don't know if it's the size of the packaging that deceives you, but it's a 50 ml tube. But anyway, I think that you need a lot, especially if you're doing your whole body. I have it on my whole body except for my back because I can't reach my back, but yeah, I like this. I think you go through it a bit quicker than with the foam. And it's a bit easier to apply the foam because it has a dark tint. So when you apply it, you see where it was so that it doesn't get patchy. The thing I got with this was that after using it, I just touched my body because I'm an idiot, and I got this on my nails and it didn't look nice. Wash your hands after using this, no matter mitt or not, just make sure. But it looked very even. It gives you, Vita Liberator products, I think, give you always a very beautiful tan that doesn't look orange, you know, it looks like you're tanned. So I like this product. Do I prefer it to the foam? I don't know. And I don't find that this is more hydrating than the foam because you can't apply this over any moisturizer, so you need to have a dry skin. And yeah, it doesn't feel hydrating. So from this to the foam, I think it's a matter of personal preference when applying, despite always needing the mitt. The next product was the Ritual of Dow Rituals moisturizer for your body. And to be honest, I don't find this to be particularly very moisturizing on the skin. I think that it sinks in really beautifully, and it's a matter of preference when it comes to the scent. For me personally, I am a lushy at heart, and my king of skin, which is the in-shower bar that you rub on your wet skin and then slightly rinse off, and it just leaves that good, not a bad sticky weird film, but leaves a good film that feels moisturizing on the skin, is one of my favorites. And outside of the bathtub, when my body is dry, I like to use the Sympathy for the Skin cream or the Sleepy cream. And that all has to do with the scents. I like this scent, but I prefer to smell like the others. And in terms of moisture, yes, it's nice. Did I grab for it several times because I felt like I needed it? No. The next product was the Madra SOS Instant Moisture and Radiance Hydra Mask. Damn it, long name for such a small packaging. You know, when it comes to masks, I like to get from my masks extra things that I don't get from my current skincare. So hydrating masks, I like to use them after using my sort of resurfacing masks, like the Peter Thomas Roth resurfacing mask, the pumpkin one, things like that that have a bit of acid, and that I feel like right after removing, I feel my skin really super soft and smooth. And I go for something like this to replenish any hydration that I may feel that has been lost. That being said, I didn't feel that this would replenish hydration on my skin as I thought it would. It feels nice on the skin, it smells nice, it has a scent. But after removing it from my skin, I wasn't left with anything extra on my skin. I would much prefer go in with a good oil and a good moisturizer that I know that does really replenish my skin. This, I didn't feel it did anything, you know, and it's quite expensive product, so there you go. Next was the Christophe Robin Cleansing Volumizing Paste with pure Rossul clay and rose extracts. Long name again. You know I love this product. I could not use it because of the sulfates. They give me dandruff, but this is an excellent product. Excellent. It deeply cleans your scalp. I have something from Briogeo that is similar to this that I'm using. I'll talk about it in a video soon, but this for me, because of the sulfates, I can't use it. But if you have no problem with sulfates on your hair, this is great, in my opinion. Although one of my subscribers that has thicker, coarser hair said that she had problems working this into her scalp. So yeah, it depends. My hair is really fine and limp, you know, so it's really easy for me to work it into the scalp. If you have thicker hair, maybe you will have some problems with this kind of pasty products. The other product was the LMS Superfood Facial Wash, and it's a nice facial wash. I use it as a second cleanser in the evening, in days where my skin is a bit oilier, so I like to feel that bit more deep cleansing action. I don't feel that it is too stripping at all, but the scent in it, it gets me every time, and it drives me crazy. How can people go so crazy, rave mad about LMS and it being so stupidly perfumed? And it's not even a very special fragrance, you know, like Oskia. Oskia has fragrance to their products, but it's a special scent. This smells like random body wash. It smells fresh, but anyway, it's nice. I'll keep using it. Would I purchase it? You know, this one? Yeah. Last product was the Real Chemistry Environmental Rescue Essential Day Cream, and this didn't even come in the leaflet, but truth be told, I really enjoyed this cream. I really did, because it has no silicones. It has a bit of a perfume to it. Could go without it, but the ingredients in this, it has vitamin E, it has some antioxidants, and no silicones. So it feels really nice on the skin, really soft on the skin without needing the silicone. So it is possible. And it sits really well under makeup and under your SPF if you need to use it. It's not too heavy. It really feels like it's nourishing your skin without just creating a layer that sits there, you know, and makes it unbreathable. So yeah, quite surprised with this one actually, and I love the packaging. Just yeah. So that's it. These were my impressions on last month's box, also the unboxing for this month, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. Share your opinions on the products with me on the comments down below, and let us all know your skin or hair type so that we know what you look for in a product, and how you got along with the ones that you got. Please do subscribe if you want to hear more from me. Leave me a like and share my channel with people you think may be interested in what I have to say. Thank you for spending your time on me, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!